Thinking of dipping your toe into the world of investing, but feeling a bit overwhelmed? Maybe you've seen the option to invest with Nutmeg directly through your Chase banking app and wondered, is this the right move for me? For many people, the idea of having investing and banking all in one place is incredibly appealing. It's convenient, it feels safe, and it's a huge barrier removed for new investors. You don't have to deal with a new login, a new platform, or the hassle of transferring money between accounts. With Nutmeg and Chase, the integration is seamless. You can start with a low minimum investment, as little as £100 for some accounts, and it's managed for you. This robo-advisor approach is a massive plus if you want a hands-off experience. You answer some questions about your goals and your attitude to risk, and Nutmeg builds and manages a diversified portfolio of ETFs on your behalf. But here's where you need to look a little closer. This convenience comes at a cost. While the fees are transparent, they might not be the cheapest on the market, especially for smaller portfolios. Nutmeg's management fees, which are in addition to the underlying fund charges, can be higher than a more DIY platform like Vanguard, which is a major competitor. Another key thing to consider is control. With Nutmeg, you are investing in pre-built, managed portfolios. You don't get to pick individual stocks or funds. This is fantastic if you want to set it and forget it, but if you're someone who wants to get hands-on and build a custom portfolio, Nutmeg probably isn't for you. You're trading a level of control for the simplicity of a managed service. So, who is the Nutmeg via Chase option best for? It's for the beginner investor who wants a super simple, hands-off approach. It's for the person who values convenience above all else and wants to see their banking and investment accounts side by side. It's a great way to start building the investing habit without being intimidated by the complexity. But if you're a more experienced investor, or someone who is very cost-conscious and wants to squeeze every last bit of value from your investments, you might find cheaper, more customizable options elsewhere. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.